Hi everyone, welcome to Doc Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete blank rows or columns in Excel. Let's dive in. To delete blank rows in Excel, first, highlight the range of data you're working with. Next, go to the Home tab, and in the Editing section, click on Find and select. Then, choose Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog, select all blanks and click OK. This will highlight all the blank cells in your selected range. Now that all the blank cells are selected, right-click on any of the highlighted blank cells, and choose Delete. Then, in the pop-up menu, select Shift Cells Up and hit OK. This will remove all the rows with blank cells in your selection. Now let's remove blank columns. The process is similar. Go to Special under Blanks again. This will highlight all the blank cells in the range. Once highlighted, right-click on any blank cell, choose Delete, and this time, select Shift Cells Left. And there you go. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Doc Guru.